Hi there. In this video we will take a look how to make a text field just for the use case of entering an email address. So that's a very specific kind of use case, but we have a very easy solution how to do that. So what you're going to do is to open up our text box Textify app. You will click the button Create Field, simple text box. For example, we can call it email field. We can on the right side already see the preview of the field. So in my case, we just need a single line field. It should not be resizable. We can enter also a placeholder. Please enter your email. So that's what it can be like. So we can also add a heading here. Please enter your email, double point. We can now go further and we will see here different kind of settings and opportunities. In our case, it's very interesting to see the allowed input. So we can see there are different kind of opportunities. For example, text and numbers, only text, only numbers, or email. In our case, we just need to click email. We can then also go further to decide on which product it should show. I just want to show it on this product, choose product, test product, add and save. Now field is getting generated. We can see it's here, email field. We can go back to the product page, we can refresh it, and we can now see that it will require us to enter an email address. For example, test@test.com. And once it recognized that here is really just an email address entered, then they are only able, your customers, to add this particular product with the email address entered to the cart. Otherwise, it will not work out. So that's how easy it is to require your customers to enter an email address.